All right, so this is a Wildco Kemmerer Sampler. This is the horizontal version. They make vertical versions as well. It's all silicon, so the gaskets and everything should be good for like trace metal sampling and organic sampling. How it works, there's this little metal spot here that you can loop your sides over like this. You just put them on the pins like that, and then you lower the sampler down to the depth that you want. It doesn't snap on me. And then you got this little messenger guy, so you just put that on your rope, twist it on like that, and then when you get it set where you want, you just drop the messenger and it snaps your sample.
Nice.
So you got just the interval that you're interested in. You can pull it back up and then empty your sample with these nozzles into your bottles.
All right. Here we are marking the rope every 5 feet with a Sharpie. This makes it easier for reference in lowering it to the depth. Yeah. This view showing a little bit closer on how to reload the Kemmerer Sampler. The first cable attaches to the underside of this little pin that's kind of like held in place by the 2 pieces of plastic, then followed by the top pin for final loading.
Perfect. If you want to do it,
Watch your hands.
yeah, watch your hands. Just like let go.
The sampler is lowered to the desired depth. In this case, we're sampling at the bottom, the middle of the water column, and at the surface. What makes it easy, this particular boat has got a lot of equipment on it that makes this easier. This is a fish radar, and it allows us to actually see the Kemmerer Sampler descending, and you can clearly see where the radar is showing the bottom of the riverbed. The troll motor that you see in the background operating on its own is essentially an anchor that keeps us in place. We'll show you a little bit more of that later in the video.
So you want to hover just above the bottom?
Velocity going, yeah. Now throw it and watch.
This is also kind of a neat little feature, as you can actually see the messenger going down to the Kemmerer Sampler. It kind of creates this cool little bubble vortex.
It's like a fish. It's like going under the boat.
Oh, got it.
All right, cool. So sometimes it's like,
You're on the bottom.
yeah, could hear it.
That's cool. I'll watch her.
Where are we going? 12 feet?
To the bottom. Let's go.
Oh, you could see it, actually see it deploy too.
Yeah.
From here,
Isn't that neat?
yeah.
In this particular project, we're filling these 1 gallon cube containers, as these are going to be analyzed for radionuclides, and there's another container that we're going to be analyzing for mercury. As mentioned here earlier, here is the GPS auto troll. It kind of keeps us locked on to the same GPS location, which allows us to take multiple samples, essentially hands-free from the same spot. Thank you for watching this video on how to use a Kemmerer Sampler. Be sure to like and subscribe, and bye for now.
Hey. Isn't that ordered? Keep going.
Baby.
Is it the wrong boat key?
Are you videoing this?